Step inside the world of custom woodworking with Crafted Wood Studio. In this video, we'll take you on a journey from the very first sketch to the final polished masterpiece. Discover how ideas are transformed into tangible works of art, the tools and techniques behind the craft, and the passion that fuels every design. Whether you're a woodworking enthusiast, a curious beginner, or someone who simply loves the beauty of handmade creations, this video will spark your imagination and appreciation for the artistry of wood design. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more inspiring woodworking stories and tutorials. Picture this: you're standing in front of a stunning wooden table or a hand-carved chair. It feels alive, almost as if it carries a hidden story. But how does something so intricate begin? Is it simply a block of timber shaped by tools, or is there a deeper journey behind it? In this episode from Crafted Wood Studio, we'll walk through the entire adventure of custom wood design, starting with a sketch on paper and ending with a finished piece that's ready to be admired. One, the birth of an idea. Every creation begins with a spark. Sometimes it's a client's dream, a dining table that fits seamlessly into their home, or a bookshelf that reflects their personality. Other times, it's the maker's imagination, stirred by the natural beauty of a particular grain or knot. The first step is sketching. Pencil strokes capture proportions, curves, and details. These drawings aren't just technical, they're the first translation of vision into form. And here's the beauty: sketches evolve. A line may shift, a joint may change, and new details may emerge. Flexibility is what makes custom design alive and dynamic. Think of the sketch as a conversation between the maker and the material. It's not a rigid plan, it's a living idea that adapts as inspiration flows. Two, selecting the wood. With the design in mind, the next decision is material. Wood isn't just wood, it's character. Oak offers strength and tradition, walnut brings richness, maple provides versatility, and cherry matures with elegance over time. The craftsman weighs durability, grain, and workability. Sometimes the wood itself guides the design. A dramatic grain might inspire a tabletop centerpiece, while a knot could become a unique highlight rather than a flaw. This choice is more than practical, it's emotional. The right wood sets the tone for the entire piece, much like choosing the right voice for a song. 3. Preparing the canvas. Before shaping begins, the boards are prepared. Surfaces are planed, edges squared, and imperfections smoothed away. This step is about honoring the material, ensuring it's ready to carry the design. Think of it as priming a canvas before painting. The better the preparation, the more flawless the final piece will be. It's a quiet stage, but it lays the foundation for everything that follows. Four, shaping the form. Now the vision starts to take physical shape. Using saws, chisels, and routers, the craftsman cuts and molds the wood according to the plan. Each movement is intentional, each curve carefully considered. Machines may assist, but it's the human hand that ensures the design flows naturally. The maker listens to the wood, its resistance, its texture, its hidden strengths. This is where skill meets intuition, and where the sketch begins to breathe. Five, joinery, where strength meets tradition. Woodworking is about connection. Joinery is the art of bringing pieces together, mortise and tenon, dovetail, lap joints. These aren't just techniques, they're centuries-old traditions. Strong joinery means longevity. It's what turns a chair into an heirloom, capable of lasting generations. Each joint is a promise, that the piece will endure, that it will hold together through time and use. 6. Adding character, detailing and carving. This is where functionality transforms into artistry. Carved edges, textured surfaces, or inlays of contrasting wood give each piece its unique personality. Details tell stories. They reflect the maker's creativity and the client's individuality, blending tradition with personal expression. A simple table becomes extraordinary when it carries a carved motif or a subtle curve that catches the light just right. 7. Sanding, the quiet discipline. Sanding is patience embodied. Starting with coarse grit and moving finer, the craftsman removes flaws and prepares the surface for finishing. It's repetitive, yes, but it's also meditative. Each pass brings the piece closer to perfection, until the wood feels silky smooth and ready to shine. Sanding is often overlooked, but it's the stage that separates good work from great work. 8. Finishing, awakening the grain. Finishing is transformation. Oils highlight the grain, stains add depth, and varnishes protect. The choice depends on the piece's purpose. A dining table needs durability, while a sculpture might glow with a natural oil. This stage is magical. Colors deepen, patterns emerge, and the wood takes on its final character. It's the moment when the design truly comes alive. The grain dances, the surface gleams, and the piece feels complete. 9. Assembly and refinement. With all components ready, the piece is assembled. This is the culmination, sketches, cuts, joints, and finishes merging into one. Final adjustments are made, edges softened, and surfaces polished. The craftsman inspects every angle. Does it balance? Does it feel right? Does it honor the original vision? Only then is the work complete. Assembly isn't just construction, it's the final act of storytelling. 10. The reveal, from paper to reality. And here it stands, the finished creation. What began as a sketch is now a tangible reality, a chair, a table, a cabinet, or a sculpture. It's more than wood. It's imagination, skill, patience, and passion woven together. It's proof that craftsmanship is about meaning, not just making. Each piece carries a story, a journey from idea to reality. Custom wood design is a journey, a dialogue between idea and material, tradition and innovation. At Crafted Wood Studio, every project is more than furniture, it's a story carved into wood. If you've ever dreamed of shaping something with your own hands, let this be your inspiration. Begin with a sketch. Respect the material. Trust the process. And watch your vision take form. If this behind-the-scenes journey sparked your curiosity, please tap that like button, share this video with friends who appreciate craftsmanship, and subscribe to Crafted Wood Studio for more woodworking adventures. Your support keeps the art of woodworking alive. Until next time, keep imagining, keep building, and keep crafting your world one piece of wood at a time.